Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about intellectual property rights (IPR). Let's start our topics. Our today's question is: enforcement of a Patent Protection Act is weak and piracy of patent materials is widespread. We have to comment on it. First of all, we have to understand the question's demand. Keyword is patent protection and piracy and weaknesses of it. Then we have to comment on it. Comment means you have to add your personal opinion on that particular topic. Let's start. Significance of this question: GS paper 2 and GS paper 3. This question can be asked in both of the examinations. In the heading of Government Policies and Interventions and Intellectual Property Rights (IPRs), if this question asked in GS paper 2, then you can start with historical aspect with that Patent Act in India 1911, then present act is 1970 that can be enforced in 1972, and recent amendment in that act is 2005. So you can start any of them. Then if this question asked in GS paper 3, then you can start with the definition which is provided by World Trade Organization, then TRIPS agreement. And in both the examinations you can start with the current affairs. Why this question is in news? Patent is right granted to a inventor that allows them to exclude all other from making, using and selling their invention without his or her consent. In India, it is particularly given for the 20 years. Why it was in news? It was in news because there is discussion on this proposal given by India and South Africa that patent-free manufacturing of vaccines during COVID-19 pandemic. World Trade Organization is discussing this issue with other countries. Some of them are agree like USA, but some of them are still not supporting this proposal like Germany. Importance of Patent Protection Act: it prevents from piracy of data and right of the person who invested his or her time, hard work, money, and it helps to grow the business also and protect originality of a product. Then what are the weaknesses of Patent Protection Act? Piracy due to lack of data protection law, then complexity in patent rules and regulations, violations of TRIPS agreement, then lack of information, lack of awareness among common people, no special courts available to resolve these issues, ultimately discourage foreign investors, non-availability of patent term restoration. Then India's steps are: previous Patent Act 1972, and after amendment consolidation of existing laws, Patent Act 2005 came into picture. Then Paris Convention 1883 related to IP, intellectual property. Then India is also part of TRIPS agreement. What are the measures need to taken? More awareness is needed. Need to establish and organize for answering and introducing laws for patent protection. Then strong laws and proper implementation of existing laws. It's a time-taking process in India. It takes 3 to 4 years. So we need to faster this system. Also need to build a special IP courts to resolve these issues and attract foreign investors. Also need to strengthen the TRIPS agreement. Our conclusion would be: after analyzing the whole situation, we can say there are so many issues, but India made several amendments in the Indian Patent Act to increase efficiency, to encourage our citizens to come up with their ideas and innovations, also focusing on research and development, relaxations in startups rules and regulations for self-reliant India, and attract foreign investments. By taking these measures and strengthening laws, we can make prosperous our country and also improve our rank in Global Innovation Index, which is 52 in 2019. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.